Sayang. Ito ang reaksyon na maaari nating i-connect sa ating gospel for today. Jesus expressed his woes to the towns of Chorazin and Bethsaida because they did not recognize Jesus' teachings and miracles. Mga ka-G, there are also moments in our lives when God can also feel disappointment because we fail to see His grace working in our lives. Ito ang natagpuan ng ating saint for today, si Saint Francis of Assisi, sa kanyang buhay. Mula sa pagiging isang marangya at easy-go-lucky na binata, ay na-realize niya kung paano niya sinayang ang kanyang buhay. Because of this, he converted and led a life of extraordinary poverty and fraternal charity. Huwag nawa nating sayangin ang mga pagkakataong binibigay ng Diyos sa atin. G ka ba?